Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best multimeter made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews. A multimeter, also known as a volt-ohm meter of ohm, is a versatile and essential tool used in electrical and electronic testing and troubleshooting. It combines several measurement functions into one unit, including the ability to measure voltage, both AC and DC, current, AC and DC, and resistance. Advanced models can also test for continuity, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. Multimeters are invaluable for diagnosing electrical problems in household appliances, automotive systems, and various electronic devices. They come in analog and digital versions, with digital multimeters, DMMs, being more popular due to their accuracy, durability, and ease of reading. Whether you're an electrician, an engineer, or a hobbyist, a multimeter is a critical tool for ensuring the proper operation and safety of electrical systems. Number 5. QHTITEC XL830L Multimeter. The QHTITEC XL830L Multimeter is a reliable and affordable digital multimeter designed for both professional and electrical testing and troubleshooting. With its compact dimensions of 145x70x40mm, it is easily portable and convenient for on-the-go use. The multimeter features a clear digital display with a backlight function, ensuring readability in various lighting conditions. The XL830L offers a broad range of measurement capabilities. It can measure DC voltage from 200 mV to 600 V and AC voltage from 200 V to 600 V, covering most common testing needs. It also measures DC current with ranges from 200 UA to 10 A, making it versatile for different current testing applications. The resistance measuring range spans from 200 ohms to 2 megohms, allowing for accurate resistance testing in circuits and components. One of the standout features of this multimeter is its manual operating mode, giving users precise control over their measurements. The multimeter operates within a temperature range of 0 to 50, suitable for various environments. It runs on a 6F229V battery, which is not included, ensuring you have the necessary power to perform your tests. Number 4. UNI-T UT89X Multimeter. The UNI-T UT89X Multimeter is a versatile and robust tool designed for both professionals and hobbyists. With a wide range of measurement capabilities and features, it stands out as a reliable choice for various electrical and electronic tasks. The UT89X sports a sturdy and ergonomic design, measuring 189mm by 89mm by 53mm. It fits comfortably in hand and feels durable enough to withstand the rigors of daily use. The device's interface is well laid out, making it easy to switch between different modes manually. The 6000 count display is clear and easy to read, which is crucial for precise measurements. These ranges cover a broad spectrum of applications, from low-power electronics to higher-voltage electrical systems. The true RMS capability ensures accurate readings for both AC and DC measurements, even with distorted waveforms. The UT89X boasts a sampling rate of 3 times per second, ensuring quick and reliable readings. The AC voltage and current frequency response ranges from 45 Hz to 1000 Hz, accommodating standard and high-frequency applications. The dual-range NCV test and live wire test further enhance its safety profile, providing non-invasive methods to detect live wires and voltage presence. Number 3. BSIDE Multimeter. The BSIDE S11 Multimeter is a versatile and reliable tool that has quickly become a favorite in my toolkit. This smart device offers both automatic and manual operating modes, making it highly adaptable to various measurement needs. One of the standout features of the BSIDE S11 is its wide voltage measurement range. It can handle both DC and AC voltages from 0V to 620V, which covers most of my requirements. The capacitance measurement range is impressive as well, going up to 99.99 mF, and the resistance measurement capability reaches up to 60 ohms. These specifications ensure that the S11 can manage a broad spectrum of electrical testing scenarios. The digital display is another highlight. The 9999 count screen is clear and easy to read, and the 3.5-inch size, or 3.2-inch, depending on the model, provides ample space for viewing all necessary information. The inclusion of EMF detection in the S20 model is a bonus for those who need it, adding to the device's utility. Number 2. MASTFUYI Multimeter. The MASTFUYI Multimeter is a versatile and reliable tool that has impressed me with its comprehensive range of features and user-friendly design. This digital multimeter is suitable for both professionals and enthusiasts, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. The multimeter measures DC and AC currents ranging from 100 mA to 4A, providing accurate and consistent readings. With a voltage measurement range of 1V to 600V for both DC and AC, the MASTFUYI multimeter is capable of handling high voltage tasks, ensuring safety and precision in every measurement. The multimeter can measure capacitance up to 40,000 F, FY106B, and resistance ranging from 50 to 40 M. These capabilities make it an excellent choice for diagnosing and troubleshooting various electronic components and circuits. The MASTFUYI Multimeter is a top-notch tool for anyone needing accurate and reliable electrical measurements. Its extensive range of features, combined with its user-friendly design, make it a standout choice in the market. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DE enthusiast, this multimeter will meet and exceed your expectations. Number 1. ANENG DT9205A Multimeter. The ANENG DT9205A Multimeter is a versatile and reliable tool for both amateur and professional electricians. With its comprehensive range of measurement capabilities and user-friendly design, it stands out as a solid choice for various electrical testing needs. The DT9205A features a robust and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Measuring 195 x 89.6 x 38.2 mm, it is compact enough to fit in most toolkits without being cumbersome. The digital display is clear and easy to read, providing precise measurements that are essential for accurate diagnostics. In terms of performance, the DT9205A does not disappoint. It provides accurate and consistent readings, which are crucial for any electrical work. The response time is quick, and the readings stabilize almost immediately, allowing for efficient workflow. The operating temperature range of 0-40 ensures it performs reliably in various environments. The ANENG DT9205A is designed for handed operation, making it easy to use with one hand, leaving the other free to manage leads or make adjustments. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those product. Please subscribe my channel for more update.